Okay, are you ready? Shall we start? So in the last period, we are discussing about types of relation, isn't it? Types of relation. Is it injective, surjective, or bijective? We have discussed about different types of relation. Is it injective? Is it surjective or onto? And we did some questions. Okay. Now write the next heading. Next definition we are going to learn is yes.
Types of functions.
Types of functions. Relations we finished, and then we discussed about types of function. What is a bijection? What is a bijection? This.
When a function is both one and onto.
If a function is both one and onto, we call it as a bijection. Okay. And we discussed some examples in the morning session. Is it clear, children? Is it okay? Now, write the next heading, composition of functions. Write the next heading, composition of functions. Composition of functions. Composition of functions. What is meant by composition of functions? Suppose inside a function we are getting, okay, suppose we are using a function inside a function. Then we call that as composition of functions. That is function of function. A function coming inside as another function. That's when we call it as function of function. So now listen, children. Suppose f is a function from a to b. Listen, children. F is a function from a to b, and g is a function from b to c. Listen, children. Listen, this point you have to note it carefully. F is a function from a to b. So look at the second function g. It starts from b. G is a function from b to c. Then G composition F is a function from A to C. Then G composition F is a function from A to C defined by G composition F of x is equal to G of F of x. Like that. So let F from A to B be a function. G from B to C be another function. Okay, let F from A to B and G from B to C are two functions. Then G composition F is a function from A to C. Listen, children, here the codomain of the first function will be same as the domain of the will be same as the domain of the second function. Then only we'll be able to define the composition of function. So F is a function from A to B, G is a function from B to C. Then G composition F is a function from A to C defined by G composition F of x is equal to G of F of x. G of F of x. So this composition of functions are otherwise called function of function. Okay, this small circle we are writing in between, this one only we read it as G composition F. Okay, G composition F, we denote this as, okay, this small circle, okay, we read it as composition. G composition F. H composition G. Composition means that small notation, okay, circle we are denoting composition of functions. How will you read this, Emmanuel? Emmanuel, how will you
F
read this?
composition G.
F composition G. Okay, don't read it as F circle G. Okay, it is. F Achut.
Ma'am,
Ah,
then what will we read if A is inverted?
which is inverted?
No, A is written upside down.
That is for all. This notation you are saying. Huh?
Yeah.
This is for all. For all. Okay. And this symbol you may see in some textbooks. This symbol we call it as there exists. In some reference books and all, you can see this type of notation. There exists. Okay, this symbol is there exists. This is for all. Okay. So if f is a function from A to B and g is a function from B to C, then g composition f is a function from, so you can show this diagrammatically like this. So f is a function from A to B. So here if it is x, here you will get f of x. G is a function from B to C. B to C. G is the function from B to C. Okay, so here you will get x, f of x. Here what you will get? G of f of x. So G composition f of x will be defined as G of f of x. That G composition f is a mapping from A to C. G composition f will be a mapping from A to C. G composition f is a mapping from A to C. Write the question. Write the question, children. Okay. Let f is let f from set 1, 3, 4. Let f from set 1, 3, 4 to set 1, 2, 5. So f is the function from 1, 3, 4 to 1, 2, 5. G is a function, and G is a function from 1 to 5 to 1, 2, 5 to 1, comma 3. F is a function from 1, 3, 4 to 1, 2, 5. G is a function from 1, 3, 5 to 1, 3 given by F is equal to set of all ordered pairs 1, 2, 3, 5, 4, 1. F is equal to set of all ordered pair 1, 2, 3, 5, 4, 1. And G is equal to set of all ordered pair 1, 3, 2, 3, and 5, 1. 2, 3, and 5, 1. And G is a function from 1, 3, 2, 3, 5, 1. Write G composition F. Write G composition F. F is a function from 1, 3, 4 to 1, 2, 5. G is a function from 1, 2, 5 to 1, 3 given by, it is given like this. We have to find what is G composition F. Okay. So the easy way is, listen children, how to define G composition F, we have to tell which is the domain, which is the codomain and all. So F is a function from 1, 3, 4 to 1, 2, 5. Okay, I'm going to represent it diagrammatically, so it will be easy for your understanding. So F is a function from 1, 3, 4 to 1, 2, 5. And what about G? G is a function from 1, 2, 5 to 1, 3. Is it okay? Where, look at here, F is ordered pair 1, 2. That means 1 is mapped onto 2. 3, 5. 3 is mapped onto 5. And 4 is mapped onto 1. And what about G? 1 will be mapped onto 3. 2 will be mapped onto 3. And 5 is mapped onto 1. Okay, now what you have to do? You have to define G composition F. So what will be G composition F? From where to where it will be? G composition F will be mapping from, if F is a function from A to B and G is a function from B to C, G composition F is a mapping from
A to C.
A to C. From, okay, so here G composition F is a mapping from set 1, 3, 4 to 1, 3, 1, 3 defined by. We have to, and we have to define like this. We have to define which one's images, which one, that one we have to give. Okay, we have to specify the elements also. So if you take one, listen here, children, listen how I'm finding this. We want to specify the images of each element. Look at your one. One is mapped onto 2 and 2 is mapped onto 3. From the figure, you can give it clearly. 1 is mapped onto 2, 2 is mapped onto 3. So 1 will be mapped onto 3. You take the second element 3. So 3 is mapped onto 5, 5 is mapped onto 1. Now take the third element 4. 4 will be mapped onto 1 and 1 will be mapped onto 3. So this is how G composition F is defined. G composition F is a mapping from 1, 3, 4 to 1, 3. And from this arrow, if you draw this diagram, from this diagram, you can easily give the answer. Is it okay, Nandana?
Yes, ma'am.
Punya, is it clear, Punya?
Yes, ma'am.
Emmanuel?
Yes, ma'am.
What about Dia, Srihari?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, how we are defining the composition of functions, is it clear, children? G composition F is a mapping from A to C, but G composition F of X is defined as G of F of X. Okay, children, hope you all completed that question, previous question. Okay. Now, go through the next question, children. This is an example question. Go through this question. So look at the function given here, how the function is defined. Let F is a function from A to B and G is a function from B to C. Then G composition F is a function from A to C. Okay, dear, G composition F is a function from A to C. But G composition F of X is G of F of X. But G composition F of X is G of F of X. Example 15 is a similar question. F is a function from 2, 3, 4, 5 to 3, 4, 5, 9. Look at here. And G is a function from 3, 4, 5, 9 to 7, 11, 15. And the function is given like this. You want to define G composition F. You have to define G composition F. So note down example 15 as homework. Example question, you try it as homework. Okay. Example 15 and example 16, you can write down that as homework questions. Example 15, example 16 are all homework questions. Now write the next one. Write the next question. If, okay, write the next one. This type of questions are all 1 mark important questions, children. You'll get 1 mark questions from composition of functions. Okay, actually this year, this 2021 year, this composition of function is deleted. Not for you. You are writing the exam in 22, isn't it? For 2021, this composition of function is deleted. According to this year's syllabus, first chapter is over. Okay, only the first 2 exercises are there for them. Okay, but for you, the full chapter I'm going to take. So, composition of functions. Yes, Achut.
When will we get our syllabus?
By the April end and all, usually every year we get by March and April first week and all we used to get. Okay. Last year also we got the syllabus by March last, April first week. But the deleted syllabus they gave only in the August. By the time we completed all these topics, these chapters and all, we have already taken for them. But by August and all only we came to know that this portion. So, okay, so write the question. F of x is equal to x plus 7. F of x is equal to x plus 7. G of x is equal to x minus 7. F of x is equal to x plus 7. G of x is equal to x minus 7. Find F composition G of 7. Find F composition G of 7. So F of x is equal to x plus 7. G of x is equal to x minus 7. Find G composition F of 7. Find G composition F of 7. Now listen, children, how this G composition F is defined. What is G composition F of x? It is G of F of x, isn't it? It is G of F of x. So here, same way, what will be G composition F of 7? G of F of 7. Is it correct? Now, 1 second, listen. Listen, all. What is F of 7? What is the F of 7? What is the function F doing? What is its argument? With that, we add 7. F of x means it is x plus 7. So, what will be F of 7?
7 plus 7.
7 plus 7. So, it is G of 14. Is it correct, Aditya? Is it okay? Do you understand?
Okay.
Now, how will you find G of 14? What is G of 14?
14 minus 7.
G, look at your G of x. What is its argument? From there, it is subtracting 7. So here it is G of 14. So it is 14 minus 7, which is 7. Emmanuel, is it okay, Emmanuel?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, write the next one. Next one. Let F from R to R. Let F from R to R given by. Let F from R to R given by f of x is equal to x square. And G from R to R. Let F from R to R given by f of x is equal to x square. G from R to R given by G of x is equal to 2x plus 1. G of x is equal to 2x plus 1. Find F composition G and G composition F. Find F composition G and G composition F. And check whether they are equal. And check whether they are equal. Can you try this? Can you try this one? Find out what is F composition G of X. Now read. Tell me how you find F composition G of X. Now read.
F of G of X.
F of G of X. That is F of, what is G of X?
Two X plus 1.
So it is F of 2x plus 1. G of X is 2x plus 1. So what is F of 2x plus 1? What is F of 2x plus 1? What is F of X? It is x square, isn't it? So it will be F of 2x plus 1.
Two X plus 1 the whole square.
Yes, it is 2x plus 1 the whole square. So when you expand it, you'll get 4x square plus 4x plus 1. So this is F composition G of X. Now find the other side. What is G composition F of X? What is G composition F of X? Aryan? So you tried that question. Got the answer, children? Able to complete that one? What is F composition G and G composition F? What is F composition G? F of X is given as x square and G of X is given as 2x plus 1, isn't it? So what is F composition G of X? F composition G of X is F of G of X. So it is F of, what is G of X? 2x plus 1. So now what is F of 2x plus 1? It is 2x plus 1 the whole square, isn't it? Which is 4x square plus 4x plus 1. Now find the other side. What is G composition F of X? What is G composition F of X? G of F of X. This is G of F of X. Now what is G of F of X? G of, what is F of X here? X square. Now look at here, what the function G is doing? What the function G is doing? What is its argument? It multiplies by 2 and adds 1. So it will be G of X square is 2x square plus 1. Isn't it? Now check whether are they commutative. Now check, children, whether are they same.
No.
Whether F composition G is not equal to G composition F. Therefore, you can say composition of functions is not commutative. Composition of functions is not commutative. Composition of functions is not commutative. Is it okay, Nandana?
Ma'am, can you explain the second part again?
Second part is g of f of x. Is it okay? We are starting with g composition f of x. It is g of f of x. What is f of x? It is x square.
X square.
So g of x square. Now look at the function g. What the function g is doing?
2x plus 1.
What is the argument? You multiply it by 2 and add 1. Now here, what is the argument here? X square. So in the place of x, we should put x square. So it is 2 into x square plus 1.
Okay.
Let's do one more question so that the idea will become clear. Write down. F of x is 5x plus 7. F of x is 5x plus 7. Find F composition f of x. Find F composition f of x. F of x is 5x plus 7. What is F composition f of x? So what is F composition f of x? It is F of x, isn't it? So that is F of, what is F of x? 5x plus 7. 5x plus 7. Now tell me, Nandana, what is F of 5x plus 7? What is the answer? Yes, right.
Five of 5x plus 7 plus 7.
5 of 5x plus 7 plus 7. Michael, is it okay? Michael? Then, okay, how to do this? Is it clear? What
Yes.
is in the place of x? That one we multiply by 5 and add 7. So here, in the place of x, we have 5x plus 7. So 5 into 5x plus 7 plus 7. When you open the bracket, you will get 25x plus 35 plus 7, which is 25x plus 42. Is it okay? Is it clear, children? So do the homework questions. Tomorrow learn all these definitions and come tomorrow again we'll be learning new more concepts. Okay, with this I end the session now. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Do the homeworks.